How do we use the method of variation of parameters?
Hello everyone.
First, we need to note that this method can be used for equations of the form the second derivative of y plus p of x times the derivative of y plus q of x times y equals r of x, which we will call equation 1. The general solution of equation 1 is y equals yg of x plus yp of x, where yg of x is a general solution of the homogeneous form of the equation and yp of x is the particular solution of equation 1. For this method, we assume that yg of x, which equals c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x, is known with y1 and y2 being linearly independent. Instead, we are trying to find yp of x. The first step is that we look for u of x and v of x such that yp of x equals u of x times y1 of x plus v of x times y2 of x. Then we can differentiate to get that yp of x dash equals u of x dash plus y1 of x plus u of x times y1 of x dash plus v of x dash times y2 of x plus v of x times y2 of x dash. Because we have two unknowns but only one equation, we can impose another condition. We will impose that u dash of x times y1 of x plus v dash of x times y2 of x equals 0. This means that yp dash of x just equals u of x times y1 dash plus v of x times y2 dash. Then we differentiate again to get this equation for yp double dash. Next, equation 1 becomes, after rearranging and simplifying, this equation here. Hence, we have two equations for the two unknowns u dash and v dash. We can solve these simultaneous equations to get that u dash equals this expression here and v dash equals this expression here. Then we simply integrate to get u and v. Lastly, we then substitute this in to get that yp equals u times y1 plus v times y2.
As ever, thank you for watching.